Feelings.
Eto na nga, madlang people, yan ang susubukan hulaan ng ating napakagandang bisita ngayong araw. Here she is, Kapuso actress and Gen Z royalty. Welcome, Cassie Legaspi!
Can't see clear no more.
Hi, Cass! Ayan. Ay, hello! Before anything else, Cass, bumati ka muna sa madlang people. Ayan. Pawis na pawis yung ilalim ng ilong. Yes, sige. Andito lang ako, moral support. Go, Cass!
Support.
If you want anything. Yes. There's so many breads to choose from.
There's so
you know?
many breads?
Yes.
So many breads? What kind?
We
The only exception, you are. Only exception.
Si Maria Cassandra.
Alam na alam yung buong pangalan, no? Ano po yung pangalan?
Maria Cassandra Villaruel Legaspi.
Oh,
The only exception.
Sige, kahit mo.
ay, may paghawak.
Only exception.
Gonzales Espanto. May 24.
Ay, alam mo.
Okay ng birthday ko.
January
Eh, kunwari yun. Mag-feb ka naman.
6. Tama ako. January.
Anin nyo, kailan?
Because none of it was ever worth the risk. Well, you are the only exception.
Di ba nakakasagot? Oy, nababla. Sorry.
Wait lang.
Alam mo ba kung gano'ng mahalaga sa amin ang bawat bagay dito? Ayan na, tapos bibisita ka. Why mo pinagtatakbo yung bisita mo?
Sick all over my bed. My love to think you're
Umaasa ka sa lahat.
Yes.
Tapos magdadala ka ng babae?
Napaka-irresponsable mo!
They might as well be.
Kung nakita mo si Darren, anong impression mo sa kanya?
Uy.
What might be worth it for what? If I'm gonna be jumping.
Kung nakikita si Cass. At kung masanay po kayo dito, may sarili talaga siyang lingwa. Para sa
Parang may nakikita siya dito sa bahay natin.
May nanonood sila dyan natin nakikita.